What's going on, everybody? It's your boy James. Today we're going to be showing you guys one of our listing down here in Clovis. We're doing a special open house today, guys. Guys, if you're interested in selling your property, there's a couple of tips that we want to show you guys on how to sell your property for top dollar, okay? But anyways, we're here in the very peaceful, quiet neighborhood of Clovis. Property address 3334 Bellaire Avenue, Clovis, okay? Currently, guys, this house is listed at $649,990. Comes with 4 bedrooms, 3 full-size bath, 3 full-size car garage, and it has slated roof, peaceful area, private backyard, mature tree and everything, okay guys? So let's go ahead and show you guys the inside of the house real quick, just so then you guys can see. This house, guys, has over $70,000 worth of upgrades, right? And when you walk into the house, right on the left side, we have a nice office area. You can call it a formal living area to say, but the seller, they use this as an office area, very spacious and everything. And then on the right side of the house, after you tour that, we have both bedrooms right here. We have another office right over here on this side, okay? And beautiful bedroom also as well, okay? And then once you tour that area, and you're able to see the bathroom right here, a full-size bathroom with the shower and everything. So guys, this house, they upgraded all they have luxury vinyl flooring throughout the whole house, okay? They have it's pretty much new. It's noise and moisture reduction, okay? And yeah, let's go ahead and keep on touring it, guys. So really nice luxury vinyl throughout. They spent quite a bit of money. They spent quite a bit of money for the luxury vinyls. And I want to show you guys, I'm going to pause this real quick, but what I want to show you guys are these porcelain countertops, okay? These porcelain countertops, the seller upgraded all the kitchens and the countertops, cost them over $13,000 worth of upgrades on the porcelain countertops throughout the whole house. The bathroom and everything, the bathroom and the kitchen, which is really nice. Also, if you look right behind you, they have the built-in pantry right here that they've upgraded. They've added quite a bit of nice feel to it. They spent over $4,500 worth of upgrades for the pantry, right? So you can see the backsplash and the cabinets and everything, which makes it really nice. Built-in appliances, okay? General Electric, microwave and oven. But what I really like about this house is the garage and the backyard. We'll tour the garage and the backyard in a bit, but I want to show you guys, let's go ahead and show you the garage. So here's the garage, guys. Of course, upgraded countertops for the garage. They have the built-in jewelries, hardware throughout the house. That's upgraded also as well. And then, so come on through the garage. I want to show you guys. So guys, what's nice about this garage is a 3-car garage. Okay, you can fit 3 full-size car, and the seller, they've turned 2 of the garage spaces into a gym, okay? Really nice and spacious. And then they do also have the door right over here on this side, and there's the side door that has pets and all that good stuff, but you can go straight to the backyard. But yeah, let's go ahead and go to the master bedroom real quick. I want to show you guys, and then we'll enter into the backyard, okay? But in front of us, that's the master. But before you go to the master, you make a left turn. We have the baby room right here, okay? Nice sized baby room. All the toys and books and all that good stuff. And then if you spin around, you have a full-size bath also as well. Once you're done with that, check out the full-size bathroom right here. Porcelain countertops and everything, so make it super nice. Black, matte black hardware throughout the whole house, okay? Really nice, okay? So this house, guys, does come with a 9.6 kilowatt solar. It's a Tesla Solar's owned, and the seller spent over $23,000 plus. It's on a NEM 2, meaning that you get more when you generate money for your electricity, okay? You get more credit when you generate electricity funds. So we got porcelain countertops right here. And then we have the bathtub right there, if that's something that you guys are interested in taking a tub. And then we have the shower right here. And then also we have a nice walk-in closet right here. It's full of clothes, so I'll just show you, it's pretty spacious, big, nice walk-in closet. So let's keep on showing you guys, so that's the bathroom. So let's go to I'll show you guys and what I like about the master also as well is they upgraded all the doors to these glass like door, okay? Which bring a lot of natural light throughout the house, which is really nice. So here's the master, guys. Beautiful master, good size, okay? And you see how like spacious it is, okay? But yeah, really spacious master. Let's go ahead and show you guys the outdoor area really quickly, just so that you guys can see. Guys, everything has to go through this house and everything has to be sold. But what the seller, what they're doing, guys, is they're leaving behind the gazebo, okay? The gazebo in the shed will come with the house. But yeah, with all the upgrades and everything, $13,000 for the countertops, the porcelain, new luxury vinyl throughout the house was $10,000. Pantry makeover, which is like $4,500. All the software cabinets and closing, and they've redone all the cabinet styles and everything. They spent over $10,000 on the cabinets. Plus, also, if you look on top with the LED lights, can lighting, and all that good stuff. So they did spend quite a bit of money on those can lighting. So that's just to keep you guys updated, these lighting up there. They spent quite a bit of money on those. And then brand new blinds throughout the house also as well. Brand new blinds, okay? They spent over, I believe, over $2.5 grand for all the blinds throughout the whole house. And then $3,000 for the gazebo, and then $23,000 for the solar, okay? So I think that's gonna be the key, is the solar that is gonna cost quite a bit of money. But anyways, I wanna show you guys the backyard. So right in the backyard, we have a nice covered patio, a beautiful covered patio, all right? And very nice and relaxing. And then you walk out in the backyard, we have a pretty mature landscape, all right? But we have the tree that covers the neighbor's yard. And then if you give me the camera, I'll walk you guys and I'll show you guys real quick what it looks like. So right when we walk, I'm gonna show you guys on this side. So we got quite a bit of space on this side. We got the AC system right there. And then a nice little garden right there, okay? And then, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys quite a bit. And then this part right here is also pretty nice. Okay, so got the nice little walking trail, and then over here they have the gazebo, okay? They have the gazebo and everything. And then the nice huge backyard. You can probably fit a good size pool back here if you want, because it's a single level. But, so that's where the client put their dog at, right there, where they're just chilling, the seller. But yeah, you can keep your dog on the side of the house if you have guests that's coming in. But here's what the gazebo looks like, okay? It does come, see, they've even built like a fire pit right there, a nice table, just a whole bunch of area for you guys to hang. So yeah, the area. What's up, buddy? Yep, anyways, just want to show you guys that real quick. But yeah, the house is super nice, well cared for. Solar panel right up there, right? 9.6 kilowatt energy. All right, anyways, guys, James here with the Fam Real Estate Group. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Gonna be signing out. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love.